In today's digital age, creating a successful e-commerce site has become a viable pathway to financial independence. With the right strategy, dedication, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, you can build an online business that generates a substantial income. Imagine the possibility of making $25,000 every month. It's not just a dream, but a tangible goal that many have achieved. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to create an e-commerce site that can potentially become your ticket to financial success. The first step in creating a lucrative e-commerce site is to identify a niche that aligns with your interests and has a market demand. Your passion for the products or services you offer will not only make the business more enjoyable, but also enhance your understanding of your target audience. Consider conducting thorough market research to identify potential gaps in the market. Look for areas where your expertise and enthusiasm can meet the needs of a specific audience. Finding the right niche is crucial for building a dedicated customer base and standing out in a crowded online marketplace. Selecting the right e-commerce platform is fundamental to the success of your online business. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable designs, and secure payment gateways. Choose a platform that aligns with your business needs, technical skills, and budget. Invest time in setting up an aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly website. A well-designed site not only attracts visitors but also enhances the overall shopping experience, encouraging repeat customers and positive word-of-mouth marketing. Once your e-commerce site is live, it's time to focus on building a strong online presence. Leverage social media platforms, content marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO) to drive traffic to your site. Engage with your audience through various channels to build a community around your brand. Create compelling content that showcases your products or services. Blog posts, videos, and social media updates can help establish your expertise in your niche and foster a connection with your audience. Utilize SEO strategies to improve your website's visibility on search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Successful e-commerce entrepreneurs understand the importance of effective marketing. Utilize a combination of online marketing techniques such as email marketing, influencer collaborations, and paid advertising to reach a broader audience. Invest time and resources in creating targeted marketing campaigns. Offer promotions, discounts, and exclusive deals to entice new customers and retain existing ones. Building a solid marketing strategy is essential for scaling your e-commerce business and achieving consistent monthly revenue. Exceptional customer service is a cornerstone of any successful e-commerce business. Provide prompt and helpful responses to customer inquiries, address concerns, and resolve issues in a timely manner. Positive customer experiences contribute to repeat business and positive reviews, which in turn attract new customers. Implementing a reliable customer support system and maintaining transparent communication with your audience can significantly impact the growth and sustainability of your e-commerce venture.